Okay, good evening, everyone. We'd like to start now. Welcome to our evening session. Tonight, we are opening this training to other people to attend this training on retailing excellence. As you know, in any business, it is critical for us to build a strong consumer base, as this is what will determine our revenue and ongoing passive income. Tonight we're fortunate because one of our top leaders, consistently top GV and top business builders, Mr. Rad Pelayo is here to share with us how he does his 10,000, 20,000 points and how he does acquires clients almost at will. So before we continue, I'd like to verify if everyone can see the slide and can hear us properly. Please send a chat message. Okay, great. So I'm going to begin, and Sirad has developed new markets from north to south, as far as Apari to Cavite, and different areas in the Philippines. So let's welcome our Emerald Executive and Star, uh, 3 million peso circle member qualifying 5 million, Mr. Rad Pelayo. So, Rad, take it away.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Hi, good evening.
Okay.
Okay naman?
Yeah, okay naman. Malinaw, Rad. So, you can.
Okay, good evening everyone. Uh, our topic is all about customer-based business or retailing excellence. So, thank you for your taking time na makinig with this training. So, I just want to share with you my background kasi hindi naman lahat nakakila sa akin. So, malinaw ba? John. Okay. Hello? John. Wala.
Yan,
Hello?
okay lang, Rad, na malinaw. Malinaw naman, Rad.
John, yung slides pasuyo na lang. Okay lang?
Ito.
Hindi ko nakikita. Okay lang?
Nakita mo ba? Kita mo na.
No.
Dahil lang, ayun.
What happened? Okay.
Yan, lagyan natin dito sa harap. Yan. Tama?
Okay. Yeah, let's start na. Okay, of course, I am Rad Pelayo and I used to work with the pharmaceutical industry for 10 years as a product specialist and I do interior design as well. Then I have a branches of laundry shop before I started with Nu Skin. So, the slides that you're going to show is actually my stint in the pharmaceutical industry. Next slides, please. Okay, so why I do no skin? No? I'll do no skin because in the pharmaceutical industry, there is a good income. Maganda yung kita, but sometimes in aiming for a good income, nawawala na yung oras ko para sa pamilya ko. For 10 years, I was detached with my family. No, so and then in the lowest part of my life, I find Nu Skin, and I realized that Nu Skin can give me a good income and time also that I really want, no, with my life. So this is actually my I think less than 3 years with the business as a full-time leader of Nu Skin. So let's wait lang for John for the product testimony because in this industry very important yung base natin is yung, oh, that's my old self in the Parma, in the Parma, no? There's fame, but sometimes there's really emptiness kasi you're looking for something na, which is I find it with skin earthy. Next slide will be my life with Nu Skin. No, I was able to have to live a life with significant, with helping other people also to achieve their dreams, and to have a good friends that actually push you to level up. No, this is our trip in their country, and then the other things are, the other pictures are the training that we made before with our sidelines. No, for me, my sidelines are my best friends. Okay, next. So this is my product testimony after taking, wala pa siya, after taking youth span and R square for around 12 months. 12 months to 14 months, no? So that's me 2010 and this is me in 2016. The next picture na makikita nyo is my testimony for Galvanic Spa. I was able to do Galvanic Spa for almost 6 treatments for 1.5 months using Galvanic on my half face only. So when I do my one-on-one, I don't do demo anymore for Galvanic. I always show my face na lang. I hope you see it. It's actually on the right side. Yun yung my treatment. On the left side, walang treatment. Yung pinakamatindi na picture is yung naka-red na picture. This is sometime in August. Yan yung talagang 6 weeks na siya. The other pictures are recent pictures na. Okay, next. The next picture is actually my transformations doing a 90 days program. I'm on day 90 right now. No, so because of these pictures, it's easy actually, and it builds more confidence for you to promote the product. So usually I'm having a hard time before to prove that the product is really working because I don't have testimonials talaga of the product. Is this year, as one of my commitment, I really taking time to do or to use all of the product that we have, and I will be engaging the 90 days program this week. No, ang target is to have an abs. Okay. Next. The next slides is actually why we have to talk about retailing. No, for me, doing the business, retailing is very important. It immediate give the distributors to at least to have 15 to 30,000 per month. I know that when I sign up with Nu Skin, I really want the lifestyle of the passive income, but the retailing profit make me believe that the business is really good business, no? Because that's I realize that doing it part-time, I have an income already extra for Nu Skin. And then sabi ko sa sarili ko na parang kung magpo-full-time ako, mas malaki yung kikitain ko. And then as I go on with the business, it's hard for the distributor to create a strong belief with the business if they don't earn immediately. So for me, 15 to 30,000 is a good income already. 15,000 retail commissions or retail profit is just selling around 30,000 worth of product and selling it with SRP or with the retail profit. No, it's simply lesser stress for the newcomers, lesser time to needed kasi product use lang yan, and lesser frustrations then. So, and the distributors are trained to work independently by selling product muna. No? For me, customer-based business is the foundations of the entire business. Sabi nga, if you don't have a customer, you don't have a business. And I asked one questions with Dennis Ong before. Sabi ko, Dennis, paano ba magbakasyon for 45 days in Europe? Ang sinagot ni Dennis sa akin is actually to look for a lot of customers, buying small product from you So ibig sabihin, this customer can build the 3,000 or 5,000 GSB pa lang without you having the organization at first or if you starting with a business. Next slide, John, please. Okay. So before executiveship, we have to teach to do retailing first. And then we usually have to ask the distributor kung ano yung goals nila for the retailing business. In reality naman, it's hard, hindi naman hard, no? It take time for us to become Ruby, to become executive for other people. But it's easy for them to sell product, lalo na with the influence of social media. Retail profit fuels belief and enthusiasm to go further and to do executiveship. Ang maganda lang dito, once they become executive, if they have customers na or base customers na, it's easy to maintain the executiveship. You can compute a distributor selling at least 300 points per month. And then kung i-duplicate niya yan every month na meron siyang marirecruit na isang distributor din na magsisell lang ng 300 points, which give them around 12,000 or 15,000 commissions. After 8 months, the first distributor become Ruby. And then the following month, pag kinumpute mo yung retail, yung 300 points accumulation, they can sustain the executiveship. So, basta every month, ang idea is to get one distributor that will sell 300 points. And then, sa computations ko, you can be a star the 14th month. Pero the status is around Emerald Executive na. No? So, build ARO business. ARO is sometimes nakakalimutan. Some of the trainings of Schumacher and Alan Agao, they choose between parang 1,000 points over an ARO. Ang pinili nilang pareho, discuss nilang pareho is ARO. Kasi ang ARO, long-term income, long-term passive income pwede ibigay sa atin. And then, ang benefits niyan, you have more time para mag-build or maghanap ng leaders mo na hindi mo na hinahanap yung 2,000 points mo or 3,000 points mo if you become an executive. Okay, next. Okay, we'll do prospecting. I divided the prospecting part into a warm market and then the cold market. The warm market, these are the current product user. No, for the current product user, everybody is susceptible to get other product from different distributor. Or sometimes we don't have the capacity to discuss all the product to them. Ano yung mag-hold sa kanila na parang kung sa inyo pa rin sila kukuha. No? That is actually relationship marketing. Relationship marketing is taking time, no, to meet these people without you selling product. Copy talk is very important, no? And then usually during the copy talk, the referrals follows kasi dyan mo na madidiscuss yung ibang testimonials ng mga partners mo or mga gumagamit ng product itself. Linagay ko dyan yung product delivery. Product delivery is also important to engage again or to strengthen our relationship. Although of course in Manila medyo traffic yan, but ang point lang dyan, you can do two things. If you deliver the product in a specific area, you can text your current product user for a coffee. So, dalawa na yung ginagawa mo at the same time. No? So, yung text, call, likes, and comment, usually yan yung for social media. One Team Elite, one Blue Diamond Dennis, they have this parang every month they have to text either a quote, a jokes, or anything no that it's positive sa lahat ng kliyente nila. Na indirectly, they're promoting the business, pero indirectly, wala ka namang sinasabi na product. Okay? So, next is about cold prospecting. Cold prospecting for social media. Okay, for quote perspective for social media, ito yung tips na nakuha ko the throughout the months and years or months, probably mga 6 months na akong nagso-social media. The tips of the posting 3 times a day for 3 months is actually a tip given by Sistine Ramos. Sistine Ramos is she's the social media princess na tinatawag nila. For 3 months you have to post anything, not really directly about product selling, about your life, about your lifestyle, about Coke's positivity, for you to have or to generate a lot of followers. And then usually when you post for social media, may time yan. Usually the 8 to 10 a.m. is important. Kung nagwo-work ka kasi, yung 8 to 10 a.m. usually travel time yan. So they have more time for you to likes and to check for their cell phones. And then usually 12 noon and then 7 p.m. which is the prime time. But if you want to target the market for outside the country, usually 12 midnight yan. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, may mga live video ng 12 midnight ng gabi. Okay. John, next slide, please. Okay. Yung last is very important. Yung likes and comment of your team and sidelines. Ang tawag dyan is social validations. Ang reason bakit kailangan mong like at mag-comment, example, I post toothpaste, if you're using the toothpaste, you have to make a comment, sincere comment na ginagamit nyo. Kasi the more comment, the more belief ang nakikreate dun sa mga tao or dun sa audience na hindi pa gumagamit ng product. And second, when you like and comment a post, usually tumataas siya palagi. Kumbaga kung last month mo pa siya na post, pag nilike mo siya, mapupunta siya sa current day or time kung kailan siya nilike. So the social validations, usually even the posts of other or sidelines that we have, I usually like and comment sa mga posts nila. That's why sometimes when I ask them if I can use the photos na post nila, they agreed naman kasi they see naman na nagsusupport ka rin sa kanila. Okay, so social validations, very important. Next. So the next one is actually yung phishing or likes messages, likers, parang ganon. Ito, diniscuss ito sa isang talk sa US. Ang ginagawa nila, when you post about the toothpaste, if you have example, 20 likes, 30 likes, lahat yung nag-like sa inyo, you can send them a message na parang thank you for liking my post, and then bahala ka na kung how you able to connect on the next activity that you have. In that sense, you built already rapport kahit di mo pa siya kilala, basta nag-like lang siya. Okay? For the comments, it's supposed to be sincere, no? And then if you post for a specific product, better kung you tell a story. You tell the testimonials of the client or the customers na gumamit ng product para maging relatable siya, rather than to post example a toothpaste and then linagay mo lang doon peroxide free, whitening, rather than the testimonials. So mas binabasa kasi ng mga tao kung may testimonials yung post. Yun, be creative and be positive. Majority of us, ayaw natin nakakakita ng mga negative posts. So, make it sure na positive yan. And don't post yung mga personal na negative. Okay? Yan. People wants to see beautiful things, etc. Birthdays and special events, ito, very important ito. When I woke up in the morning, yung mga nasa Facebook ko, minsan magwa-warm na may birthday. Kung hindi ko kilala, I said happy birthday. Pero pag kilala ko yan, or customer ko na yan, no, I really write a letter or PM to them about dun sa birthday nila. No? Ang tips dyan, you can write rather than a greet o specific incidents or situation siguro na masaya about you and that person. So, hindi nawawala yung connectivity and personal touch mo dun sa tao. So, next. So, ano yung pwede mong i-post? These are more positive. No, positive lahat. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung isang may ngipin nakalagay dyan, this is the waiting room of my dentist. I hope that my gynecologist won't decide to decorate the following the same concept. So, in the morning, pag ganyan yung nababasa ng mga followers mo, parang they really check kung may post ka o wala. Kasi it gives positive energy to them. So be careful dyan, dapat talagang positive. So I post also kung ano yung mga gifts na nakukuha ko. No, it validates then kung parang sino ka, anong tao ka. Actually, for some trainings for social media, they don't advise nga yung mga page kasi yung mga page usually para more of selling. Mas nakakabenta sila dun sa personal page ng mga distributors. Okay, next. So the second slides is indirect marketing. So these are the actually indirect na parang sinasabi dyan na oh you can actually make our product as a Christmas present to your loved ones. Rather than when I post this slide, ang nakalagay dyan is my deliveries for today. So it's positive pa rin. No, it's positive pa rin siya, pero hindi ko sinabing nagbebenta ako. Okay, so just be creative, no? This post was actually uses also by other distributors, so it's okay kasi I'm also using their post sometimes with permissions naman. Okay, next. Next slides is a lot of products that are sold over 3 months or 2 months. This one create a belief that our product have repeat order. So, ibig sabihin, yung sellable yung products. So, this one is parang, I post this parang thank you, parang ganon for patronizing and trusting our products. So, pwede nyo rin gawin yan and then yung iba may client na may hawak ng mga products.
Hello, Rad. Hello.
Yung ginagamit or ginagawa nyo in everyday life. I usually post yung mga pagkain. I usually post yung activities ko within the 8 to 5 range ng araw. So, the reason why you post the activities within 8 to 5 because not all the people have a plenty of time to go to a gym like 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. which sometimes they are actually in the office or yung travel ninyo, pwede nyo rin yung i-post because other people na-attract sila sa travel. And then especially pag sinabi mo it was given by the corporate, it's actually an incentive. So na-attract sila para doon. So next, John. So the rapport building part is very important kasi linagay ko dyan pre-inviting. Kasi minsan, dun sa pre-inviting, kung if you were able to develop rapport already to them, mas madali silang pumunta sa meeting. So, sometimes, ako pagkakamali ko yan before, na pag parang nag-know na for a meeting, parang nakakat ko na yung communications. Parang I want to focus na to someone na magiging receptive. Nowadays, hindi na ganoon. Parang if you keep the communications or the relationship and then later on, sila na yung nag-aasa sa'yo kung kailan kayo pwedeng magkape or pwedeng magkita. So, linagay ko dyan, be interested instead of interesting. Sometimes, as distributor, even in text messages or call or even in presentations, we forget to listen. When you forget to listen, the problem is nagiging transactional yung relationship natin and people look at us as a seller rather than a consultant or a person that they can trust. No? Personally connected, discuss ko na yan. So, karamihan ng retailers ko are people that are not open with the business before. Pero sa kaka-post and then kaka-communicate, sila na yung mag-o-offer na available sila for specific time. Sabi nga, promote what you love rather than bash what you hate. So, very important yung positivity in every aspect nung building a relationship or rapport building. Mali? Next. Okay. So, for the inviting part, for me kasi, other people, when you invite them for business, iniisip nila is parang extra time for them. No, they are so busy. Yun yung usually parang comment nila or matraffic, no? Matraffic, yan yung mga objections na nakikita natin. So, I made a different strategy in the past few months. I usually invite for spa party. I market the spa party as parang as simple as parang meeting friends and new friends lang. And then I cook a little, no? I open my door, I open my condo to my distributors and to the new people na invite nila. No, I cook a little as you know, yung investment niyo of around siguro 200, 300 pesos to cook for a spaghetti or something, sometimes more than dyan pa yung nakukuha mo. No? So ako, I really enjoy doing that kasi it's a way also of sharing your life to them. No? Yung Biopotonic scan, usually yan, I market them to those people na alam ko na may pera, to those people na capable na bumili ng big products natin, to those people like doctors na yan yung makaka-attract sa kanila. Yung Biopotonic medyo nakakalimutan siya, pero usually dyan nang gagaling yung mas malaking sales, especially for R2, Youth Span, and then Lipac. Okay, so for inviting, nakalagay dyan, tell a story, indirect inviting. Sometimes in the copy talk or yung relationship natin, yung parang i-meet mo lang siya for coffee, I don't invite them for anything else. I usually tell a story of a successful example, a successful partner. I tell a story of a successful customer or good product, parang product comment of other customers that I have. So indirectly, I'm building the curiosity already. Now, when the client asks na ano ba yung product na yan or ano ba yung ginagawa nila, ano yung ginagamit nila, that's the thing na parang dun mo lang siya makukonek for business na or to go for Biopotonic or sa center natin. Event exposure is very important. Always remember, hindi lahat ng pupunta sa event is bibili. No? Hindi lahat ng pupunta sa event are bibili. Make sure lang all the people who went to the events, you can drive the line and you can have at least 10 to 15 parang contacts or client na pwede natin tawagin para hindi napuputol yung connections. No? Copy talk, nandyan siya ulit. Relationship marketing is very important. Okay, the pasalubong, small stuff, or giveaway is very important. You know, sometimes sa simple parang fruits lang na dinala mo sa isang client. Example, you deliver some product, malaking bagay sa kanila. And then I give you a tip, no? Sometimes we have an expo and then magra-raffle kayo, 'di ba? You get a lot this raffle stuff na mga kung ano-ano, may unan, may tumbler, yung mga yan, definitely hindi nyo naman yan gagamitin. So make it as a giveaways, especially for top clients para may bit-bit ka. Sabi nga nila, di ba, hindi ka pwedeng mag-visit sa isang bahay na empty-handed ka. So, dapat may dala ka kahit paano. And then another thing, sometimes, when you go for a meeting, nakakalimutan alukin ng something like coffee, juice, or a simple dessert, no, yung mga customers or yung client na target natin. Kasi sometimes ang mindset natin is we're giving them a favor of showing the business. Ang tip ko dyan, kung ayaw nyong mag-treat ng kape, mauna kayo dun sa meeting place. Umorder na kayo para pagdating ng client, pwede siyang umorder. No, yun yung unang tip. The second tip, I'll share with a story that I was able to close at 3,500 GSP with one client in one sitting, which is ako yung pangatlo na distributor na nakausap nila. Ang nasabi lang nila yung last and yung first and second na nag-invite sa kanila, hindi man lang sila inalok na kahit ano or even a water. So, well, I share with them, no, nag-order ako para sa kanila, siguro around 300, 400 pesos. But how much commissions do you get in a 3,500 GSP? No, so this is actually the third customer that I met na hindi naalukan man lang ng coffee and then they sign up under our team. So, wag magkuripot dun sa konting coffee. Isipin nyo na lang na kaibigan nyo na yung minute ninyo. Okay, next. So, for inviting, sabi ko nga spa party, the spa party is not just more of parang product demo, no, for the people na present dun sa spa party. If you try to look at my Facebook, every spa party, meron akong pinupost sa FB ko. So, ibig sabihin, continuous yung client, continuous din yung mga tao na gusto for the spa party. So, in that sense, you create belief also for the audience in the social media. The spa party, usually dalawa yung market. Isang A saka isang B. The B usually, if alam namin na kahit papano medyo parang hirap naman, no, hindi naman lahat parang makakakuha ng galvanic. So, ang ginagawa namin is to have the payslip activator. Naka-payslip activator na lahat sila, and while doing the payslip activator, we discuss na about the business. And then, kung makita nyo yung picture on the left of your screen, may isang tao lang na igagalvanic. But if your customers are really A, about doctors yan, lawyer yan, or minsan sinasabi naman ng distributor na nag-invite na parang able yan, capable yan. So be ready to do the galvanic or showcase the big product. Okay, so spa party, usually have around 2 or 3 spa party in a week. No, especially for Manila, 'di ba? Sometimes coding kayo, hindi naman kayo makalabas ng bahay. You do your spa party at night. So usually may spa party ako ng 8 p.m., 9 p.m. depende kung kailan sila available. Pero I open my place na para hindi ka na magta-travel pa. So if you can do that, no, mas maganda. Next. So tips in closing. So dito na tayo sa closing, no. Number 1 is connect visually. Sabi nga, connect visually by giving them the other person your complete attention. The eyes are the windows of your soul. See other person's heart and show your heart. Other people, sa closing, natatakot gawin kasi nahihiya, no? Or natatakot. Remember, when you did not close, useless lahat ng ginawa mo from the pre-inviting, inviting, and demo. And then, yung iba kasi, parang ang tinitingnan nila, more than kung ano yung sasabihin mo, is your gesture. No? Your gesture. How to close. Connect intellectually by asking questions, listening carefully, and also paying attention to what it is being said. Ako po, I usually ask them, ano yung gusto nila muna na product. So doon ako magsisimula. Ano yung concern nila, no? At ano yung gusto nilang iuwi or gamitin nila yon. So at least alam mo na may parang buying signal ka na this product ay kukuha. Iko-complement mo na lang through your recommendations of the other product na kailangan niya. No? Yun yung una. Second, you have to show the product benefits and the price comparison kahit hindi pa sa closing, kahit sa vanity pa lang. While you're putting, example, your tinted moisturizer, you discuss na your pictures and benefits of the product. Like example, you do your tinted moisturizer, pwede mong sabihin na parang this is ano yun, I wake up like this, no makeup effect, no, it's a 5-in-1 CC cream rather than a BB cream because may anti-aging na siya. So, bago pa siya makarating dun sa closing, alam na niya kung anong benefits. Ang pangalawa is you have to know the product price comparison of all your products na i-demo. BB cream, that the tinted moisturizers that we have is usually same price lang yan ng Kiehl's. No, same price lang yan na mabibili nila sa department store. Ang problem lang is yung mga BB cream sa labas, sometimes they are oily. Tapos pag pinawisan ka, parang naguguhit-guhit yung muka. So, sabi nga nila, use the product para mas madali siyang i-discuss or i-share. This one, connect emotionally through your touch. No? Pero nakalagay dyan, be careful. Discuss with the doctors or when you discuss with the client, we usually use touch therapy. Pwede yan sa balikat, sa likod, pwede rin yan sa kamay. Pero be careful lang, iba yung hipo, iba yung okay? So be careful with that. Pero yan, effective yung personal. Okay, next. Okay, tips to maintain loyal cost. Okay. Okay, na-discuss ko na yan. Connect personally, text, call, likes, comments, greeting. Expose client to product one at a time. Ito yung sinasabi ko, when I deliver the product, if the client, example, order big products or example, umorder siya ng galvanic, bago ako umalis dun sa clinic niya, dapat may na-demo feminine wash, you can do the patak-patak thing. Na naka brand name, at wag kayong aalis na wala kang product na na-expose sa kanya. Para pag nangailangan siya ng product, alam niya na meron ka. Hindi naman ibig sabihin, when you demo the product, kailangan niyang kumuha. Usually, may dialogue. Sinasabi ko lang, doktora, kasi mamaya or ma'am, sir, baka later on, you will be needing this product we have. I just want to parang share with you. So, parang ang nangyayari, after the belief from other products, no, nasusundan siya na ibang product pa. I give you one story. I have retailers in Iloilo. He just bought around 10 to 15 toothpaste every month. And then, maganda na yung belief, tapos kumikita na siya. Pinadalan ko siya na sabi ko, try it. So after that, the following 2 weeks, may order na siya of that product. And then I sent another product na naman na iba. So ngayon, hindi na natatapos yung orders niya kasi na-expose siya sa ibang product. From retailers right now, siguro for 3 months retailing siya. And then ngayon, actually tumawag lang siya, no? Ang gusto niyang i-explore yung business as a support. Sinusuportahan siya nung husband niya. It is because they were able to get parang a big retail profit and nakapagmili na sila ng damit ng mga anak para sa Pasko. So nakita yon nung asawa. The asawa is parang networker from other company, pero parang ang lalaki ng sign up. and nagsimula yung asawa niya ng product lang of toothpaste. So that's the power of the retail profit na on the spot may belief na siya kagad. No? So, deliver product, okay na yan. Invest personal time, yan na yung diniscuss ko kanina. When you go for specific area, make sure na yung mga client mo dun sa specific area, na text mo man lang if they have time to meet you over coffee, no? Para at least alam nila, buhay ka pa. So, pwedeng walang business lang. It's really relationship. Next. Okay, so, invest. Saan ba mag-i-invest? One is calling. You have to invest on calling cards. Sabi nga, if you don't have calling cards, you don't have a business. Ano yung gusto niyo? Ako, I'm catering with doctors, no? So, I have flyers already na pinaayos or pinagawa namin, no? Kung saan nandun yung biophotonic product, ano yung antioxidant. So, you can explore that aspect. Second is actually the clothes, the bags are basic, but sometimes people, they really want to see something new sa inyo or sa atin. Kasi as ambassador of health and wellness, di ba, mas maganda kung nakikita nila kung ano yung pagbabago or transformation sa atin. I give you one story that I prospect one pulmonologist before, no? Tapos hindi siya open. That was around 2 years ago. And then 3 months ago, I was able to bump with her in the elevator. And then sabi niya, yun parang mahalaga lang coherent yung sinusuot natin. So, yun na, invest on simple coffee, desserts for clients. No? Sabi ko nga, every meeting is a blessing. Kahit nagpa-coffee ka dyan, kung hindi siya kumuha, okay lang. Kasi mamaya, pwede naman siya mag-refer ng client sa'yo o pag naisip niya or okay, so next is this one is we make a branding in social media. Yan yung hashtag na ginagamit ko. So be cool. It's about positivity. So every day meron kaming specific team na sinusunod kung ano yung ipopost namin. Example, every Monday. Example, Wednesday, Whiting Wednesday. Thursday, Sexy Thursday. So, ito yung possible na pwede nyo i-post. And then, nilagay ko dyan yung support your friends' business and programs. Like you support the celebrities that you don't actually know. This one is number 1, patama. Sorry, patama doon ang kaibigan yung hindi sumusuporta product ninyo or di-dream still sa inyo. Second, this one naman is parang thankful post to those friends, una na loyal customer nyo. Second, to your sidelines na minsan nagla-like or nagko-comment. The third is very important. If you have example prospect na example, may salon, may coffee shop, may retail, example, bazaar, promote, i-share nyo yan, i-promote nyo yan. Kasi in my experience, or culture natin Pilipino, parang gusto nating magbayad ng utang na loob. No? Parang yun yung culture. So ako, kung mapapansin nyo, I share and I repost like yung mga salon, kung saan yung customer ko o yung kumukuha ng product or kahit hindi pa siya kumukuha. And later on kasi, sa kaka-repost mo or kaka-post mo nung product nila or business nila, minsan sila na yung magkukontak sa'yo. Okay? So, be a reminder to become positive at every day. Okay? Next is this one. This one is the second branding, no, the second brand fab or be fabulous, no, nasa inyo kung how you brand yourself. Remember, there are clients na minsan gusto nila ikaw pag nakita nila nakasuot. Minsan, pag nakita ka nila, gusto nila parang more of casual lang. So, etong mga to is all about grooming, lifestyle, and passion. No? Ang pinaka ginugoogle ngayon, maliban sa anti-aging na product is actually passion. Lahat ng tao is gusto, is maganda yung nakikita. So, wag niyo kalimutan na even the customer actually become attracted to you with the first impressions. So, make sure na wag kayong lalabas na hindi kayo nakaayos. An example of this, I went to a parang coffee shop, parang nakapambahay lang ako, tapos nakachinehe lang ako, isang mukha akong gusgusin. And then I met a previous customer in the laundry shop way back 5 years ago, and he's actually a director of a Meralco, I think Meralco company. Alam mo yung sobrang hiya ko, hindi ko siya malapitan. No, hanggang kumaway na lang ako, nag-smile na lang ako kasi nga yung suot ko is parang ako mismo is parang ako nakakaya yung suot ko. So, kahit saan kayo pumunta, make sure na nakaayos po kayo. Okay, next. So, actually, this is the one of my last slides, no. This business is really challenging. Lahat tayo, we have frustrations, lahat tayo, we have rejections, and majority sa atin, maraming attritions. Sometimes, we get easily frustrated and we lose our patience to business. Or sometimes, there are people who come our way or as distributor na hindi, sabihin natin, not equally aggressive as what we are as a leader. No, it changed my mindset 4 months or 6 months ago that sometimes there are distributor na medyo weak pa ang kailangan ng support. But sometimes ang support natin na bibigay natin dun sa mga mas mabilis, mas aggressive, no? We never realize that some of the people sent to us, they need our help. They need our help to strengthen whatever weakness that they have. No, prayers is very important in our daily activity, in our daily life. Sometimes, yung mindset of helping other people is nakakalimutan na pag ang thinking mo is parang magbebenta lang. That's why sabi ko, every meeting is a blessing, no? Sometimes there are meetings na parang schedule mo 3 or 4 meetings na lang na sabay-sabay or magkakaibang area. Surprisingly, no, when you pray, parang natatapos yung meeting na positive lahat yung nangyayari. No, this is one part of I'm very grateful with the company or with Skin or my sidelines that I'm quite vocal about upgrade in my connections or connectivity with our Lord Jesus Christ. No, it's been years that I'm having a good income or points or GA with the business, but sometimes I felt empty and frustrated pa rin. Ang dami kong hinahan. And when the time that I become grateful about whatever blessing, whatever I sell, whatever I discuss with my business, with the client, the blessings keep coming. No, when prayer becomes an habit, miracles become your lifestyle. This morning I post about being grateful, no, about a morning of full of blessing. I went to one customer just to give lang a gift, no, a simple gift, a token, and I write a letter to that. And then after the discussions or talking lang, ganyan, he has some products, only to find out na pala yung youth span nila, mauubos na, may 4 pa sila na youth span. No, 4 na youth span, he orders around 2 sets of youth span again, and then plus age like me. And surprisingly, the father has a belief with the product and promoting the product already to other people. So, prayers is very important. No, pare-pareho lang tayo ng frustrations, pareho tayong business. But sometimes when you saw other people, mas silang tignan, no, mas relax silang tignan kasi they were able to trust na may isang mentor na magsasabi or magdidictate kung ano yung ibigay sa atin dun sa tamang oras. No, it's the one of the blessings that I have. Okay, next. So, in sum, no, this is my last slide na. Uh, I have the page that I have, and I usually post this one, the BRAD today. BRAD today is not just a marketing brand for myself or for my business. The BRAD today is a reminder for us to become cool and positive, for us to become fabulous. No, kung mapapansin nyo nakalagay dyan, pray, care, and share. Yan yung business natin. We have a missions to do it. No, we have a missions, that's why nan tayo. Sana wag makalimutan na yung product can actually transform the life of other people, and the customer would only buy the product if nakita nila yung care mo sa kanila, and dun pa lang papasok yung i-share mo or i-share nila yung product, no, as a last, no, uh, as a emerald right now, sometimes emerald, sometimes lapis, sometimes gold, sometimes emerald. So, yun yung business ko. Masyadong mababaw before kasi yung thinking ko and commitment ko sa business. I want to become a blue diamond before because of our recognitions. But now it's really different. I want to become diamond or blue diamond because I want people to be inspired about my transformations rather than the recognitions. So sana makita nyo rin yung missions ninyo, which is for me, my missions is to help a lot of people. And the purpose that I have is to inspire other people more than the goals and the dreams that you have. So once again, this is Rad Pilayo, your future blue diamond and a son of God. Thank you to everyone.
All right, thank you. Palakpan natin si Rad. Thank you, Rad. That was a very comprehensive training. Very helpful. Mga nakakalimutan natin ginagawa na ngayon. So, at this point, I would like to open the floor for any questions. Audio lang. So, anyone would like to ask any questions to Rad? We will have an open forum for a few minutes. Topic is retailing excellence. Anyone? Pwede kayong mag-message sa baba or pwede rin kayong mag-salita. Tanggalin niyo lang yung what do you call this? Yung mic. I-on niyo lang yung mic. Ano ba? Magtatanong? Nasagot na lahat?
Tulog na.
Tulog na lahat. Hindi, nakita mo ba yung mga messages? Yung mga messages.
Yeah. Ngayon lang. Ngayon ko naman.
Okay, so if there are no more questions, we'd like to thank Rad. Rad is not, most of you are not his downlines, and yet Rad is very generous in sharing with you not only the skills, but importantly the mindset and the faith in terms of how we can transform ourselves and transform other people. And Rad has really transformed over the past 2 years in the business from the roller coaster rides. But this is actually what we need in order to transform us to become and realize who we're destined to be. So once again, thank you very much, Mr. Rad Pelayo, our upcoming Blue Diamond and Son of God, and he will. We are looking forward to you helping other people transform more people's lives. Okay, so with that, we'd like to wish everyone good evening, and Rad, see you again soon. Uh, okay, so
Yeah, thank you, John. Thank you.
very much, Rad. So everyone, thank you for attending evening's training. And reminder for those who have not yet booked their bootcamp tickets, the bootcamp is now 3,800 pesos. Invite as many people in your team, even your clients are welcome to join us. It is a personal transformation event, and we'd like to give everyone the blessing of that transformation. So, with that, we'd like to sign off and see you guys with our Age Lock Me launches this week and then our BOMs. Thank you and good evening.